Every day, millions of perfectly baked cookies leave automated factories. But how do simple ingredients become the delicious cookies we enjoy?
Welcome to Mega Factory Universe. Today we'll follow the complete journey, from premium ingredients to perfectly packaged cookies.
Every great cookie begins with premium ingredients, carefully delivered from trusted suppliers before entering the production process.
Before production begins, every ingredient is tested. This ensures it meets strict food safety standards and delivers consistent quality. Computer-controlled systems measure every ingredient with incredible accuracy, ensuring each batch of cookies tastes exactly the same. The carefully measured ingredients are transferred into giant industrial mixers, where the cookie dough begins its transformation. Powerful spiral mixers blend every ingredient into a smooth, uniform dough, ensuring every cookie has the same texture and flavor. The dough is allowed to rest under carefully controlled conditions, helping moisture spread evenly for a softer, more consistent texture.
Heavy-duty sheeting rollers flatten the dough into a smooth, continuous layer with the perfect thickness for cutting.
Laser-guided calibration systems maintain an identical dough thickness, helping every cookie bake evenly inside the oven.
Rotary cutting drums stamp thousands of perfectly shaped cookies every minute with remarkable speed and precision. The remaining dough is automatically collected and recycled, reducing waste while maintaining production efficiency. Robotic loading systems arrange each cookie with perfect spacing, allowing heat to circulate evenly during baking.
Automated loading systems carefully position every cookie onto baking trays, ensuring even spacing for consistent baking results.
Advanced vision systems inspect every cookie for correct size, spacing, and shape before the baking process begins. The prepared cookies now enter a high-temperature tunnel oven, where carefully controlled heat soft dough into perfectly baked golden cookies. Inside the first baking zone, gentle heat melts the butter and activates the leavening agents, allowing the cookie dough to expand evenly. As the cookies move deeper into the oven, controlled heat creates their golden color, crisp edges, and soft, flavorful center. The final baking zone locks in the cookie's texture and flavor, producing a perfectly crisp exterior with a soft center. Freshly baked cookies are cooled gradually to protect their texture before moving to the packaging department. Every cookie passes through a highly sensitive metal detector. This ensures maximum food safety before packaging.
Artificial intelligence examines every cookie, instantly removing any product that doesn't meet strict quality standards.
For specialty varieties, smooth melted chocolate is carefully applied to enhance both flavor and appearance. High-speed packaging machines seal every cookie inside protective wrapping, preserving freshness and quality during transport.
Every package receives its production date, expiry information, and batch code for complete product traceability.
Robotic packing systems organize the finished cookie packs into shipping cartons, preparing them for warehouses and stores around the world.
Industrial robots stack finished cartons onto shipping pallets, preparing thousands of cookie packs for safe transportation.
Each pallet is securely wrapped and transferred into the automated warehouse, where every shipment is tracked until dispatch. Each pallet is securely wrapped and transferred into the automated warehouse, where every shipment is tracked until dispatch. Finished cookie shipments are carefully loaded into delivery trucks, ready to supply supermarkets and stores across the country.
From carefully selected ingredients to advanced automation, every step is designed to deliver fresh, delicious cookies for families to enjoy. Thank you for exploring the complete cookie-making journey with Mega Factory Universe. Subscribe for more incredible factory documentaries